Hi, I was on Pinterest the other day and I found this picture. It's rings, it's a necklace made out of rings. It's just rings linked together and that's it. I'm not sure who made it. I think it's the user. I'm gonna leave the user here if you want to check her out because I couldn't find any other images or similar to this one. So I think she made it and I really like the idea. And also I was on Tumblr and I found this other picture, and this one looks like it's from a runway, and I tried to find it. I tried to find the brand and I couldn't. But I know some brands that make jewelry like this one. For example, Chupova Lowena. It's, I think, a British brand. Also Marincel, that's a French one, and a jewelry brand called Justine Claquette, I think. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And they make jewelry kind of like this. They also are very into repurposing things. They buy vintage, either clothes or jewelry, and they make something new out of it. And I really like it. So I'm gonna try to make this necklace. So I picked some rings that I don't use that much anymore. They're mostly like these ones that have crystals, because now I'm using more like simple ones. So, and it's okay because if I need them, I just take them out of the necklace and that's fine. And I have a little this with crystals. I put some silver in there. I like how it looks, the combination of silver and gold. And now with the help of this, I'm gonna start to put them together. And I'm gonna use this big clasp. I tried to find a bigger one, but this was all I could find. So it's easy for me to close. This is how it looks like. And now I'm going to put this one and this one. These were too big to put here, so I'm just gonna hang them somewhere in here. And this is the final result.